All right, gang. So it shows us our Morningstar pattern at Great Trade One, and let's just go over this, what all these doing. I feel like all these going to take profit for next level is take profit for. We trade take profit to take profit. Once price gets to these take profit levels, we can take profit. Also we can move our stop loss into profit, as we're going to be going over that and talking more about that as well. Or take profit at, or we can modify our level to once price go to 69, next level is 70. We could have put take profit. We could have modified our take profit to 70. Once price got to 70, we could have took profit. It would close us out the trade. And we could have re-entered back at take profit 2, as price did stop at take profit 2. It stopped right at this take profit 2. And stopped there from January 31st, held there for a little bit before February 1st, 2022. Before February 1st, 2022, price and before picking back up February 1st, 2022. We've been in an uptrend since February 1st, since January 31st. February 1st hits, it picks back up. This uptrend picks back up February 1st, 2022. And it continues all the way back up. This is still February 1st, and we're in take profit 2 area. This is all take profit 2 area. February 1st, we finally see January 31st, it stops at take profit 2, and heads back down to take profit 1. This is take profit 1, obviously. Heads back down to take profit 1, where buyers put price back up. And February 1st continuing this uptrend. Price will, once price gets to take profit 1, it will retest back to take profit 1. It won't go all the way down to take profit 1, because that would be breaking structure. It'll make a higher low. It made a higher low back down to take profit 1. It'll make a higher low back down to take profit 1. Once price breaks above take profit 1, it will retest take profit 1, or make a higher low back to take profit 1 before continuing back up to take profit 2. As you can see, February 1st, it continued back up, making what? A higher high. After we see this higher low, you have to see price made a higher low on the 4-hour. This is a higher low. The sellers, if we scroll in, we could see more structure. Price did make a higher low right here. You can see sellers pushed price down and made a higher low, and then buyers push price back up and continue with this higher high February 1st, 2022. And we see it goes up to February 2nd, and this still take profit 2 area. Once February 2nd hits, price makes a higher low February 2nd to February 3rd. And then February 3rd, it makes a higher high February 3rd to almost take profit 3. Now, once price gets all the way up here, almost to take profit 3, like literally almost to 72, almost to 71, from 70, from 69 to 70, and it almost gets all the way up to 71 right here. February 3rd, from February 1st, it was at 70. January 31st, February 1st, and then February 2nd, it tries to get up to 72. It makes a higher low. It has to make structure. Just won't go higher and higher and higher. It makes a higher low back down from February 2nd to February 3rd. February 3rd, it picks back up. It makes a higher high to 71. Almost goes to take profit 3. 71. This is still 71. But almost goes to take profit 3. Almost goes to take profit 3, but it didn't go to take profit 3. Once price didn't go to take profit 3, we could take profit. As price got close to take profit 3, we could take profit. As once price gets close to take profit 3, or goes to close or near take profit 3 area. This is kind of close to take profit 3 area. Price will what? Go back to the previous take profit 2. You can see price made a higher low February 3rd, February 4th. It goes back to the previous take profit. It'll go back to the previous take profit before continuing and going in the direction to take profit 3. We could have took profit. It's no point of, unless we were swing trading this from Great Trade 1. Unless we were swing trading this from Great Trade 1. But if we got in February 1st, right here, we got in February 1st for a second trade. This could still be a great trade 2. So we got in for another trade. Once price got to take profit 2, we got back in for another trade. All right, say we got back in for another trade, take profit 2, at take profit 2, right? Once price gets to take profit 2, say we got back in for another trade, right at take profit 2. Boom, February 1st, take profit 2, right? It makes no sense to watch price from take profit 2 go all the way to almost take profit 3. It makes no sense to not take profit from 70 all the way to 71. Literally from February from February 1st all the way to February 3rd, from 70 to 71. We should take profit, as that's like 100, 100 pips, 200, almost 200 pips right there. You should take profit. There's no reason that you watch price go up 200 pips and you're up, from Great Trade 2, and you're up, all the way from 70 February 1st to 70 February 3rd, 71, from 70 to 71, and you're up 3 grand or 10 grand, 20 grand, depending on your lot size, how much money you have in your account, and you don't take profit. It makes no sense. As price goes back down and goes right back down to Great Trade 2, and before going back up to take profit 3, goes right back down to take profit 2. There's no point of you watching price head all the way back down because you're trying to swing trade this. I mean, you could have just took profit at, and we're going to talk more about this, but you could have just took profit at 70 once price got to 71. Basically take profit 3. You could have took profit as once price gets to take profit 3 area, it will head back down to take profit 2. You could have took profit. No reason to have, not took profit. That's what I'm saying. You want to modify your account from 70 to 71. From 70 71, you should have took profit as price literally goes back down to 70 and take profit 2, and you just watch, you was just up 10 grand, 5 grand, 2 grand, and you just watch price go back down, and you're only up $100, $200, $1,000 when you were just up 10 grand, 3 grand. It makes no sense, take profit. And then once price head back down to 70, from 71 to 70, you could have got back in the trade. You should have took profit and then got back in the trade. Once price got almost close to take profit 3, take profit, or put your stop loss into profit. As once price shows us this shooting star pattern. It shows us a shooting star pattern right here. On the 4 hours, shows us this shooting star pattern. It makes no sense that you didn't take profit. It shows us this shooting star pattern. Buyers try to push price to take profit 3, and sellers push price back down. And then we see what a black candlesticks push price back down to take profit 2 from 71 to 70. It makes no sense. You should have just took profit. I know you're trying to swing trade this, but you could have just re-entered once price got from 71 to 70 and then rolled it all the way back up to 71. It makes no sense, and we're gonna go over that more again. I just want to give y'all some examples as price got to 70, 71, and then goes all the way up to 72. And you could have had, this is the swing trade. You were trying to swing trade from 70 to 71. Price won't always, every trade, it's not going to be a swing trade. You can't swing trade every trade. As you can see, you're trying to swing trade this from 70 to 71, and price goes back down to 70, and now you're like, damn, I should have just took profit. Yeah, you should have just took profit. You was up 200, 500, 3,000, 20 grand, 10 grand. You should have just took profit. And then, from 70, once price got to 70 to 71, take profit. And then you kind of got back in from 70 and rolled it all the way back up to 71, and then eventually 72. From take profit 3 to take profit 4 at 72. Gang. So that's extremely important. That once price goes to 72, you should take profit as what? Price head back down to 70. Head right back down to 70 before heading back all the way back up to 72. All right, gang. So I just wanted to go over that, and we're gonna go over more examples, but I just wanted to show you, get us started for this new week. All right. So I hope these videos help, and I will go over some more videos soon. All right, gang.